Hello everyone, welcome once again. If you want to automatically generate caption for you, this is where you're going to click, and then there are tons of here now. If you want to add any, I think there's network now to show you the templates of everything that you want to be using, so you can see it will show you. So this one is the same thing. So if you want to import, maybe you already have the text and you want to use, you want to import the file and use, you can click on this particular place. So this filter, if you want to add any filter effects, maybe there are tons of presets you can use. You want to change the look of a video, to this adjustment, if you want to adjust anything here, so I can either drag it or click the plus icon, and this particular, there's no network there, I'll just load it. So I want to change some colors, I want to reduce, I want to adjust, I want to improve the color. Okay, thank God. So I want to add difference, I want to brighten it, I want to put shadow, I want to highlight, I want to add contrast, I want to add brilliance, sharpen it, or clarity, particles and everything. So I can do it. So this AI avatar, just one, let me just omit this one for now. So as you can see, so let me drag one video here. Let's talk about this one now. Let me drag it to this place here. So see it here now. So let's say I want to change the color. I want to change the color of this one now. You can either come to this and click plus icon and drag it. This one, if you want to make it, you want to affect everything underneath it, you can use this adjustment from this particular ear. But if you want to only affect the clip, let's assume that this is only the video I want to affect. I can click on here and I'll click adjust here, and I can adjust anything. I can change the look to any one that I like. I can add more color, I can reduce or add saturation, so I can decrease or increase the exposure, I can add contrast, I can do anything I like with this adjustment. So assume this text now. If you want to add text to this, if you want to add any text to it, you can easily do it. Very simple. You can add text to it. You can see it's already here. You can edit it to anything that you like. You can write anything and include it here. So it's already here already. Let's see how to start now. I want to start now.
We'll remember, say hello to PK.
So thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more.